I'll never forget you, my American love. I'll always remember you, wild as they come. And though if I saw you, I'd pretend not to know. The place where you were in my heart is now closed. And I already live with too many ghosts. Now everybody lately is living up in space, flying through transmissions on invisible airwaves, with everything discovered, just waiting to be known. What's left for God to teach from his throne? And who will forgive us when he's gone? So take what you need now, honey, and do what you like. Don't worry about me, mama, I'm alright. Now I can't stand the weather, no, I never liked the rain. We drink on the job and we go home early. And I remember how she looked so good in that dress. Now she just screams how I promised her more than this. Take it easy, baby, it ain't over yet. So take what you need now, honey, and do what you like. Don't worry about me, mama, I'm alright. And if there's something you need, and if there's something you find, whatever gets you through the night, whatever gets you through the night. I never will forget you, my American love. And I'll always remember you, wild as they do come.